Hello and welcome to the ElitesFX. In this video, we're going to talk about the types of trading orders and how we're going to place them on actual MetaTrader. So there are basically two types of orders. The one type is called market execution order and the other type is pending orders. So when we are trying to enter the market at the current price, whatever the current price of the market is, we're going to enter a buy or a sell on a specific asset, then we use market execution orders. So these are two types of market execution. Either it can be a buy market order or it can be a sell market order. So market execution orders mean simply entering the market or simply opening a trade at the current market price. So if the signal that we sent out says current market price or buy market or buy or sell market or market execution, something like this means that you have to enter whatever the current price of the market is. So these are actually called market execution orders. So how to place them? Let's go on an mt4. So let me just pull that up. This is a mt4. Let me just delete these charts here. So for example, let me show you this USD CAD. This is the signal that we sent out couple of days ago. This is running in profit. This was a buy market. But um, coming back to the topic, let's say that we sent out a signal on NZD USD and we said that open a trade on the current price buy market. So you have to now open buy on the NZD USD at the current price, whatever the current price is. So what you have to do is you have to go here on this new order tab and here you will select market execution. So market execution, that means whatever the current price is, then you are going to select your load size. For example, your load size is 0.1 here. Now you are going to enter buy or sell. For example, this was a buy market, so you have to click buy market. So when you will click here, you will see that your order has actually been executed and you can actually see. Now you can drag it below to set your stop loss and you can drag it to the upside to set your take profit. So this is how you can basically enter a buy market order. Now going back to our slide here, the second type is sell market. That means you are going to enter a sell order at the current market price. So this is again very simple. You have to just click here on new order. On the type you will select market execution and now you will use this sell by market. So this is now your sell by market got executed. You can drag it above to put your stop loss and drag it lower to put your take profit. So this is how simple it is to basically um, use buy and sell by market orders or current market execution orders. The second type is pending orders. So pending orders are when we are trying to enter the market but not on the current price. We want the price to come at a specific level and then we want our orders to get executed. So in the pending orders, we will select a specific price, and when the price will came to those areas, then our order would be executed. So now there are two types inside the pending orders. There are one type is basically known as limit orders, and the second type is known as stop orders. So now let's first of all talk about limit orders. So now let me just open up a clean chart here. For example, this is a clean chart. And now we are talking about limit orders, right? So let me just write it here as well. So we are talking about limit orders. Limit orders, make it red and let's make it bigger. Okay, so limit orders. So now first of all, let's talk about buy limit. So buy limit is when you are waiting for the price to move lower from the current price. So if I zoom in, okay, for example, this is the current price, whatever the current market price is. But you want to buy this Euro USD on a price which is lower than the current price. Okay, you want to buy it at a lower price. So what you will do in this area, you will actually use a pending order, and this would be a buy limit. So buy limit means you are going to get into a buy trade but below than the current market price. So when the price will come back lower to this area, then your order will be executed. So buy limit is a pending order in which your execution price would be lower than the current market price, right? So in order to basically execute a buy limit, you have to go to this area, new order, and now you have to select pending order. So pending order, now you are going to select buy limit or whatever the order that you are going to execute. So for example, this is a buy limit we're talking about. Now you're going to add your price, at which price you want your order to be executed. So at this area you will basically put this price. So what was the price here? So price is, let me just copy that price, okay, and now I'm gonna paste that price here. So this is my execution price. So when I will place that, what you will see right here is that there is a buy limit. uh, just right here you can see this buy limit. This means that now when in the future price will come back to this area, so my order will be executed. So this means that the current price is right here, but when the price will come back lower to this specific area below than the current price, now my buy order would be executed, and then if the price move higher I will make profit out of it. So that's how we can basically use buy limit. Now the second type is sell limit. So now let's talk about sell limit here. So sell limit is, let me just use my pen to explain what does that mean. So a sell limit, so sell limit is used to enter a sell trade, but at a price which is above than the current price. So for example, this is the current price, but you want to enter a sell around this resistance. So you want price to come higher to this area, and then here you want your sell order to be executed. So now in this area you will use a sell limit. So you will put a sell limit here, and when the price will come to that area, your sell order would be executed, and if it move lower, then you will make profit. So in order to basically execute a sell limit, what you have to do is click on new order, click on pending, and then select sell limit. And then the second step is to put that price. So for example, you wanna enter a sell around 1.087. So 1.0870. So when you will place that here, you can see your sell limit order has been set up right there. So now when the price will come higher to this area, your sell order would be executed. So this is a difference between buy limit and sell limit. Buy limit would be below than the current price, and sell limit would be above than the current price. So that's how you can basically use limit orders. Now the second type is stop orders. So now let's talk about those stop orders. So I'm going to first of all use a clear chart. Okay, right here. So stop order means these are all also pending orders. For example, let's talk about this area. So you say that okay, this is a support area, and if the price breaks below than this support area, it is likely that it's going to continue moving lower because it has broken a support area. So in this example, you want to enter a sell, but only once price break below this support area. So in this case, you are going to use a stop order. Stop order. So stop order, again, it will have two types: a sell stop and a buy stop. If you want to enter a sell trade below than the current price, so this is current price, right? This is current price, but you want to enter a sell right here. That means if the price drop lower, then your sell order would be executed. So you are going to use a sell stop. So sell stop is a pending order that would be executed once the price breaks below a certain area. So for example, you want to enter a sell around this area, around this, for example, this support, and you want to say that okay, if the price move lower than this support, I will enter a sell. So in this case, you are going to use a sell stop. So what you have to do is go on the new order, select pending order, and then select sell stop. Now you're going to place that price. So for example, this is 1914 in this case, so you are going to put 1914 and just place. So now you can see on this chart that there is a pending order now setting up right here that says sell stop. Okay, so sell stop means now when the price will move at lower and break below this area, your sell order would be executed, and then if it continue to move lower, you will make profit. Now the second type of stop order is a buy stop order. Buy stop order means you want to buy at a price which is higher than the current price. For example, you said that okay, there is a resistance area. For example, you said okay, this is a resistance zone. So if it breaks above resistance, it is likely that it is going to continue its direction to the upside. So now you are going to use a buy stop order. So if the price continue to move higher, your buy would be executed and you'll make profit. So in this case, again, what you have to do is, for example, first of all, let's select a price. So this is a price you want to buy if the market price goes above than this price, which is 1924. So you're going to go to new order, pending order, select your load size again. So we have already discussed in the previous videos how are we going to calculate our load size, but once we calculated our load size, now we are going to put that load size here. And so right now we were talking about buy stop, so we're going to select that and put that price. For example, it is 1924, so we're going to put that here and place. So now we can see there's a buy stop order sitting right here. If the price goes above this 1924, as soon as it hit that, it will open a buy trade for you. And again, you can right click here, click on modify, and you can always put your stop loss. For example, if this buy order got executed, you want to put your stop loss at 1919, so you can use that 1919 and click modify, and your stop loss would be placed right there. So again, in the signal you would be given the stop loss price, the entry price, take profit, and everything. But this video was about to give you details about the different type of orders, how you're gonna place them and how you're gonna manage them. So this is it from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.